I don't know what in the hell I thought was going to happen. I'll try to fix it.
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to where it's just good vibes, good energy, and good makeup over here. Okay, so for today's video, I don't know if you guys remember when I said I don't like doing colored lips, but today I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna be doing two things that I've never done before. I really hope it works out how I plan it in my head and stuff. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my Masquerade mini palette, and I'm gonna take the color Zulu, which is this one, and I'm gonna work it into my crease.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA.
I want this brown to be deeper, so I'm gonna go in my Morphe 35R palette. And apparently these colors don't got no name, baby girl. But I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna just lay it on top of the first brown that I put down, and hopefully I get the deep brown that I want. Alright, so this is the brown that I want. I'm gonna do a really precise cut crease, but I'm gonna use a wipes and my micellar cleansing water. Correct me if I pronounced it wrong.
Not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder.
Alright, so it do. Then I'm gonna actually use my what's this called again? P. Louise base in the shade 5. I did the micellar water before this because I wanted the cut crease to be really clean, and I didn't want the brown to transfer over into this and then it just look mucky and better. So that's why I did that. But I'm gonna go over and cut my actual crease now.
She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger.
Now that I have my cut crease, I'm gonna jump back into this palette, and I'm gonna take the shade called Burkina, and I'm gonna just use it to set the cut crease. I'm not like gonna make it a vivid color, I'm just gonna set it with it. So you know, I'm gonna use it lightly. So that's that. Now to the stepping out of comfort zone part that I was talking about. I'm gonna take this NYX lipstick, purple. I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand because I'm gonna use it to create a wing.
Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
Okay guys, here's the wing. I think I actually want to add glitter to it. You know, like, just go out. Go hard or go home, girl. Go hard or go home. So guys, I applied some lashes. Do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and finish the rest of my face. Okay, I'm finished with both of my eyes. Now I'm gonna conceal with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9.
Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive.
So guys, I want under my eyes to be a little bit more brighter, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer and I'm gonna just tap it. It's in the shade Caramel. Now I'm gonna set with my Sacha Buttercup.
Fighting, I just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no.
Now I'm gonna contour with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I'm gonna mix the contour shade with the sculpting shade as usual.
Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Now for some blush, I'm gonna take the Zulu by Juvia's. I'm gonna use the orange to make a blush. I'm gonna use it lightly, of course, and I'm gonna mix it with the pink to match it with my undertone.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me.
Gonna highlight with my Curly Bible palette using this shade.
I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young and dumb.
No. This is the interesting part again. I'm gonna take the same lipstick that I used to create the wing, and it's gonna go on my lips. Oh my god, I hate colors on my lips. Maybe this will convert me.
Touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Kim Possible, alright, teach me if you wanna reach me. I don't know what in the hell I thought was going to happen. I'm gonna try fix it. Kill me dead, me look good, but me had a slow-mo favor Fiona with purple lip. Guys, I took that color off. That wasn't playing. That wasn't the answer. That wasn't the way. God said no, take it off. Period. I could keep on that. Look like a fool. I know that officially I'm a nude girl. I am officially a nude girl. Nothing but a nude girl. Colors, no, not for me. Anyways, this is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you comment which one you like better, the purple lip or nude lip, pinkish nude. Let me know in the comment. I really want to know, because I want to know if me wanted to see me look like idiot. So this is it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed.